Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. And if you have access to a treadmill and you want to work on improving heel, midfoot, toe off, gait pattern, walking without a limp, building confidence in the knee that's just been replaced, let me show you one of my favorite ways. Now, I never like to start anybody walking on a treadmill right out of the gate. I always introduce this exercise first. So let's pretend I've had a left total knee replacement, so the side closest to the camera. What I typically do is I set my clients up so that they're standing on the side rails. There's no chance that they're gonna step on the belt. I'm gonna get this started. I let the belt warm up so that it comes up to speed. Now, right now I'm starting at 0.8 miles per hour. I could even go down to 0.5. I want the belt going very slowly because my goal here is only the surgical leg makes contact with the belt, and I emphasize feeling the heel touch, the midfoot touch, and the toe off. I let my client focus on kicking the knee into extension when the heel makes contact, feeling the weight at the midpoint, and then flexing the knee using the hamstring muscle to lift the foot when we reset. Most of my clients feel very safe in this position. They're comfortable doing this. You can do it where you're just resting the weight of the leg on the belt, so I'm not even putting my body weight. Eventually, I could start to put more weight on the belt, so I take that hand away. But the idea is that this gives me the opportunity to really focus on technique. And then once I'm comfortable with this, then what I'll do is I'll step and I'll fully load, and then I'll start walking on the belt. And the main thing here is we're not walking on the treadmill for cardiovascular fitness. We're walking on the treadmill to focus on that heel touch, midfoot, toe off, gait pattern. We want it to be symmetrical. And one of the things that I like about the treadmill is I can hear the sound so that when I make contact, it starts to create a rhythm so that if I'm limping at all, what happens is I kind of bring that other foot up real quick when I'm not confident that my surgical leg can support me. I'll hear that, I'll see that, I'll feel that, and then I can work on practicing how to remove any limping or abnormal gait. This is a great opportunity. We usually start with 1 or 2 minutes in the clinic, build up to about 5 minutes, and then the client is usually ready to just practice normalized walking as much as possible.